Police have blocked a large area of a plaza along with a Tim Hortons and part of a residential street.
It's the easiest way to get up there.
Oh, it's all blocked off, man. It's all blocked off.
What about like if you live here?
Then we kind of escort you.
Okay.
Present some sort of identification.
I won't bother you guys.
So,
I won't bother you guys. All right. Yeah. What time did it happen? Around 8?
Sometime around
All right. You guys
two surrounded. Exact time.
approximately though, somewhere around late evening, yeah?
Late evening, yeah.
Police say this shooting happened around 8:30 last night near the corner of Cedar Drive and Eglinton Avenue East in Scarborough.
And you didn't make it, right?
I'm not too sure about that.
The male was transported by emergency run to a local trauma center with life-threatening injuries, and he, a short time later, succumbed to those injuries.
Crazy stuff, guys. Well,
Yeah, it's unfortunate.
yeah, man. You know how old?
I have no idea.
A male person in his 30s.
Officers say there was a call about someone in distress. When paramedics arrived, they found a man in his 30s with a gunshot wound. He was rushed to a trauma center but did not survive. Police appear to be focusing their investigation on this area near the Tim's drive-through menu board.
How many viewers you got on this now?
Right now there's 583 watching.
Oh, sick. That's
Yeah.
dope.
Yeah, 583 legends. Yeah, man. Everybody's handled it well tonight. Everyone's done well, though. I mean, the one guy, first officer, he's like, "What's up?" I'm like, "What's up with you?" So I don't know what he wanted to say. I think he should be more clear on a homicide scene than "What's up." What's up with you?
Sorry?
So what's up with you? Thank you, sir. Thank you for letting them know. Remain professional and stay focused on the investigation. But the other officer, he was very polite when I stepped behind there. He just let me know that you guys didn't get a chance to extend it yet, and that is a part of the crime scene verbally, so that was good enough for me, right?
Hey, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to get back. This is a crime scene right now, including this area here. Thank you.
You gotta put tape right here, no?
What's that? Just on this side, sir.
Put tape right here, though,
I
it's a
will put
walkway,
tape there,
just
yes, sir.
so no one's confused.
Yes, sir. It's an ongoing investigation right now.
I just
But
heard
I'm-
you, but what I'm saying is if this is a
That's
walkway,
fine. I will
there's
put-
got to be
that's fine.
tape there.
I'm letting you know now, letting you know where.
Yeah.
I'm just in the middle of the preliminary.
I don't want to go in the crime scene. If,
Not a problem.
if
I
I
appreciate your
knew
help, sir.
I wouldn't be there,
Thank
right?
Not a problem, sir.
All right.
Thank you very much for your cooperation.
Not a problem,
There's
sir.
a lot of moving parts right now, but
It's understandable.
the last thing I want to do is somehow.
I'm not here to
something
interrupt. I just felt that the tape, if the
I
tape's
understand. I understand.
open
Thank
that
you
way,
so
I
much
thought
for
I was
listening.
good to
I
walk.
appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Not a problem, man.
Yeah, officer, actually,
Yeah.
it's just to kind of block
Yeah.
this off till we. Thank you. This gentleman he wasn't aware that that's
For sure. Yeah.
part
Yeah,
of it,
no,
so-
no worries, guys.
Thank you.
That's where it is. Your word's good enough for now.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
You get bits and pieces of information that you learn, and the crime scene might start off here, and then there's multiple, and then
That's exactly what I was telling the viewers, saying when you pull up, you might think it's a small scene, and then you get further information, and that extends. How she goes, who sent you over, and what did they send you to say, man? You feel, I feel like you're about to say something. What's going on?
I'm a man of little words, so
Yeah.
No, it was just I'm just in the area, and so like if I can actually ask you, because the crime scene is so wide, obviously, judging by the tape, that it's obviously still ongoing. Can you just go behind the police car, if that's not a problem?
Where are we going to?
Just behind the police car. That's all.
All right.
That's all. Thanks, man. I
Not a
appreciate
problem.
it.
You are going to extend the tape, though, right?
Yeah, once I get to it, because my tape in my car is all out.
Not a problem, bro. I know you guys got a lot going on here, man. I'm happy to cooperate with
Thanks, man.
give you guys room to investigate. But then there is other times where it extends for the cameras, right?
Please keep taping.
It is the camera Care Bears.
Please don't stop taping. Shut up. You're an idiot.
I don't mind if you film.
Yeah.
All I ask is this.
I know it's not for that because you guys only extended it 10 feet. Like, it's not like you're trying to block my view with the extra 10 feet. If you don't mind, please try not to block the public record, though. So, yeah, no, man. It's just, you guys, like I said, no complaints tonight. You guys did some good work.
So go around the yellow tape. Around the yellow tape. There's an officer there. He will escort you. Speak with him. You understand what I'm saying? So go around the yellow tape. Yeah, I understand. Come.
Shout out to him for helping the guy out, man. Not sure if it's a language barrier or a mental health issue. I'm not sure, but either way, he's getting the guy's food to the guy's mom. That's what he's trying to do over there. Get his food to his mom, it sounds like to me.
He's trying to deliver food to his mother. She lives in the building.
Good stuff. Even some people in the chat was saying it's a good officer right there. Oh man, good shit. A lot of officers would have just told him 1 or 2 times and then continued on with what you're doing, right? But no, it's important. Community shit takes 2 minutes. Now he's gonna put some more trust in you guys the next time he sees you guys, and that's how that shit works, right?
Yeah. So I get it. I've been living in this area my whole life, so.
Oh, you grew up in Scarb?
Yeah,
Nice. Yeah, man.
How's your night going otherwise?
Not bad. Just caught a couple scenes. But when I go out, I get a lot of footage.
Yeah.
Like I've been out for an hour and a half. I already got 3 scenes tonight.
All in Scarborough?
All in Scarborough, yeah.
And I'm assuming you were down in Toronto or somewhere.
Yeah, GTA. Yeah, GTA. Grew up downtown though.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Grew up downtown, but yeah. Yeah, man, just fuck. It's a nice night out, right? Nice nights.
17 degrees.
Just, yeah. Just trying to enjoy the weather, and I keep seeing sirens everywhere. But yeah, unfortunately, fuck. As you guys see, it's not a nice night for everybody, man. That's,
Yeah, it's unfortunate.
It's-
You never know.
yeah. I always say, no matter, like, whenever you're going through problems and shit, they're not that bad. because there's somebody who wishes they had your problems.
It's a motherfucker driving a Ferrari, mad that he got a Ferrari. But it's a motherfucker in a Honda wishing he had a Ferrari. It's a motherfucker riding a bike wishing he had a Honda. It's a motherfucker at a bus stop wishing he had a fucking bike. It's a motherfucker homeless on a bench wishing he had car fare to be on a bus because it's too fucking cold outside. It's a motherfucker in a hospital bed wishing he was fucking homeless to even walk because he's paralyzed. And it's a motherfucker dead, burning in hell right now, wishing he was fucking a paraplegic, so at least, even though his body don't work, his mouth work, and he'd be praying every motherfucking day, trying to avoid going to hellfire. Be grateful, man.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You know,
This might be like first world problems or whatever it is, you know, like look at whatever difficult situation you have here, right? There's always somebody in the world that has something that's in a worse situation.
exactly.
Right? There's kids in Somalia, Pakistan, India,
Yeah.
wherever, third world countries,
Yeah.
Mexico, whatever you call it, that don't even have food.
Yeah.
It's like,
Or it could be in Toronto, like, fuck, someone, they're without a family member tonight, right?
right?
So whatever someone was stressing about earlier in the day, it could be money, or it could be fighting with fucking a friend, or arguing, or you got fired, or
Yeah.
man, it's not as bad as what these people are going through tonight, right?
Yeah.
The usual suspects are here. He's got a video camera recording, gray hoodie. We're gonna need to stop and investigate them. They tried to actually get in her vehicle during the middle of her traffic stop.
He's looking at a cop watch.